Hi everyone! Today I'm going to show you how to easily connect your Pantum 2500W wireless printer to your mobile phone and print photos or documents directly from Android. Let's get started. First, I open the Wi-Fi settings on my phone and make sure it's connected to my home router. Next, I head over to the Google Play Store. Oops, sorry about that. I accidentally typed UC before searching for Pantum printer, so the search bar got a bit messy. Anyway, I search for Pantum Mobile Print and Scan, and once it appears, I tap on Install. Now the app is installed. At around the 40-second mark, I open the Pantum app. On the welcome screen, I tap Add Printer. The app asks for location permission, I allow it. Then it requests nearby devices permission, I grant that too. It also prompts me to turn on Bluetooth, so I enable it. Before adding the printer in the app, I go to my Pantum 2500W printer and press and hold the Wi-Fi button for about 3 seconds. The Wi-Fi light starts blinking, meaning it's ready for setup. Now, back in the app, I tap Add and the printer is detected almost instantly. I select it. The app shows my home Wi-Fi network and asks for the password. I enter my Wi-Fi password and tap Next. A few connecting screens appear. I tap Connect on each prompt for device to use with Pantum. During this process, the blinking Wi-Fi light on the printer stops and stays solid, meaning the connection is successful. Great, the printer is now connected to my Wi-Fi network. I go back to the app's home screen and tap on Print Picture to test it. I allow the app to access my photos, select one nice image, adjust if needed, and hit the print button. And there you go, the photo prints out perfectly from my Pantum 2500W printer. That's it, super simple and quick wireless setup. If this helped you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching.